You are as you are, and the way you see and experience life. Who you are is purposeful and good.
I'm just so grateful that you're here.
I am so thrilled to be here, Mel. I love what you put into our world, and it's a blessing to be here with this extraordinary woman.
Thank you. Let's start by having you speak directly to the
So I will share to you my mantra today, okay? Just like yesterday, hindi ko ma-share sa inyo yung buong entry ko ng aking journal, but I will share with you guys my mantra, okay? Okay, today's mantra: I don't have to rush to be worthy. I'm allowed to enjoy what's already here. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys will have a very nice day. I'm running the washing now. I have some laundry to do. Super konti lang, but I have few things to iron and fold. But I don't feel stressed. I'm trying to be grateful for everything, even those small stuff. I'm trying to see it as a blessing. Although I know it's a blessing, I feel it's a blessing. Pero alam mo yung sa daily life, you know, yung demand ng life natin everyday, nakakalimutan natin yung blessing pala, yung may hugasin tayo, may magluluto tayo, yung good stress pala yung mag-iisip ka kung anong uulamin, kung ano yung kakainin, yung ganun guys. Na at the back of our head, thankful naman tayo eh. Kaya lang yung siyempre, yung demand ng daily life natin, hindi natin maiwasan na nakakalimutan natin yung ganong bagay talaga. And guilty ako sa part na yun. Kasi parang may time talaga na naman ang dami ko na mahugasin, ganyan. So ganun yung lately I'm trying to you know, like yung nag-e-effort ako na to see things differently. Imbis na makalimutan ko, I'm trying to remind myself na it's a blessing na may hugasin ka, it's a blessing na may ganyan, it's a blessing na may damit kang paplansyahin, may damit kang tutupiin. It's a blessing na maraming damit, na may damit ang mga anak mo. It's a blessing na may laruan sila. Yung ganun. So I encourage you guys to try and do the same. I feel so relaxed, guys. I love it. Narinig niyo ba yung ibon? Ang cute, no? Nasa city pero ang daming ibon dito sa amin, guys. Kasi maraming kahoy. I love it. So, we're done with our journal, and then hindi pa tayo nakapag-diary. I am thinking to do it later. Mag-collect muna tayo ng entry, di ba? Oh, I remember. This will be the first time to may bagong pala akong supplement na binili kahapon. Okay, that's nice. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna add more of my, alam niyo ba guys, nagustuhan ko na siya. I love it na. Although mas gusto ko yung binili ko nung first kasi medyo fruity siya. Masarap yung lasa niya. Ito masyadong ano ba? Like so masakit yung dito ko. Lalamunan ko. Kapag naubos na to, but I will try to find the first one pag naubos na to yung aking apple vinegar. But I like it, guys. So let's go down and let's do the bed. Tapos maybe I will do some works muna bago ako magtutupit.